Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, now today we will start adverbs, chapter 7. Now adverb modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. जो adverb होता है वो modify करता है verb को, adjective को और जो दूसरे adverbs होते हैं. Here examples are Monish eats hungrily. It qualifies the verb eats. Monish is extremely greedy. It qualifies the adjective greedy. Monish eats very greedily. It qualifies the adverb greedily. Now there are kinds of adverbs and the first is adverb of manner. Here adverb of manner tells us how or in what manner an action takes place. It answers the question how. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर जो होता है वो उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है जिसका जो क्वेश्चन होता है कैसे. जैसे एग्जाम्पल शी स्पोक सॉफ्टली एंड जेंटली. अगर हम इसमें क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे कि किस तरह से क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा है, कैसे एक्शन हो रहा है, लाइक हाउ शी स्पोक, सो आंसर क्या बनेगा, शी स्पोक सॉफ्टली एंड जेंटली. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. Next is adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us where an action takes place. It answers the question where. कि adverb of place जो है वो ये पूछता है कि action जो है वो कहाँ हुआ, कैसे हुआ. The boys are sleeping inside. Here this is the example. And more examples are outside, here, there, outwards, inwards, in, out, within, above, below. Now other adverbs, adverb of time tells us when action takes place, कि action कब हुआ. Example, they will visit us soon. More examples are today, yesterday, tomorrow, last week, next year, early, late, ago, now, already, afterwards, immediately. Adverb of frequency tells us the frequency of an action, कि जो action है वो कितना frequent हुआ, कितना जल्दी जल्दी हुआ. They visit this church sometimes. इसके और examples हैं often, never, rarely, yearly, frequently, once, again, seldom. Adverb of degree tells us to what extent an action is done. Adverb of degree जो है वो ये बताता है कि जो action है वो किस extent तक गया. Here example is he hardly helps around in the house. And more examples are rather, fully, partially, quite, enough, altogether, very, almost, once again. Now adverb of affirmation and negation emphasize the truth or the falsehood. सच्चाई को और झूठ को emphasize करता है adverb of negation. Like example, I have never met your aunt before. And some examples are certainly, yes, no, not, nay. Next is interrogative adverb. Is used to frame question. जो इंट्रोगेटिव एडवर्ब होते हैं वो क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम करने में हेल्प करते हैं. एंड इट इंट्रोड्यूस अ नाउन क्लॉज. वर्ड्स लाइक वेयर, व्हेन, हाउ एंड व्हाई आर यूज्ड टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस. एग्जांपल्स, मोर एग्जांपल्स आर व्हेन, हाउ लॉन्ग, व्हाइदर, हाउ ऑफन, वेयर, हाउ फार, व्हाई. एग्जांपल, she has not told me why she is not coming for the class party. Now the relative adverb introduce a relative clause. It joins two sentences. दो sentences को join करने में relative adverb जो है वो help करता है. Example, that is the house where he got married. And more examples are when, before, whenever, lest, so that, how much, how far. All these words are used for making adverbs. Next is comparison of adverbs. Now adverbs have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. Now there are some examples. The word early is in positive degree, comparative is earlier, and in superlative earliest. Low, lower, lowest. Slowly, more slowly, most slowly. Gently, more gently, most gently. When the word is from two syllables, we use more and most in comparative and superlative degree. Now there are some irregular forms of are as follows. जो irregular forms होती हैं वो इस तरीके से हैं, जैसे well, better, best, much, more, most, little, less, least, bad, worse, worst. कंपैरिजन ऑफ एडवर्ब स्टूडेंट्स मैंने आपको प्रीवियस क्लासेस में भी पढ़ाया है, हाउ टू मेक अ adverb in comparative degree and superlative degree. So students, you have to practice these exercises from your grammar book and understood it once again.